Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unsend messages on Messenger. First thing, you want to launch the Messenger app. In our example, I decided to use a Meta AI chatbot to show you how you can send and then unsend messages. First thing, let's send a quick message. Hi. As you can see, the Meta AI bot will reply immediately. How we probably wonder after they reply to us, can we actually unsend the message? You can do so by simply putting your finger on your own message and holding. As you can see, you have a special menu that pops out and you have the option to unsend the message, even though they already replied to it, right? There are two key points over here. First thing, you can unsend the message for everyone, and then you can unsend the message for you, meaning that if you choose the first option, this means that message will no longer appear on your chat and on the chat of the other person, in our case Meta AI. So it will look like they're communicating to each other, they ask questions and they answer to the same question. There will be no reply on your side. The second option would be to unsend the message for you only, meaning that on their own chat box your message will still appear, but on your own chat box your message will be deleted and will be unsent. Let's try the first option, which is unsent for everyone, right? There you have it. Message have been unsent. So now you cannot simply see the message on any part of the chat. Message simply is gone. The main point is that now I'm going to show you how the message will simply, the same exact message, send it to them, right? Again, hold your finger on it. Now we're going to unsend the message only for ourselves. So if you click unsend for you, this essentially means that this message will be unsent for you. Other chat members will be able to see the message. There you have it. Now you see the message is gone. You don't have any notification or simple message that says that you delete something or remove something or unsend something. While in option number 1, when you unsend message for everyone, there is a small notification that says that message has been unsent and everyone will see that. This is a big difference and I want to make sure that you guys understand what's the difference. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.